What is going on, guys? Getting kind of a late start to today's vlog. It's about 5 p.m. I never usually start my vlogs this late in the day, but today is Ratchet Friday. It starts at about 6. I got my car ready to go. Vin is, I don't know what Vin's doing, but I'm pretty sure he's ready to go. The only person we're waiting on right now is Jay, the racer himself, aka not an STI. So as soon as Jay gets here, we should be heading out. One thing you guys don't know about the WRX is that we actually put a Catless downpipe in it. It was like a really last minute decision. I did record some of it, but it wasn't nearly as much to make an entire video. So I figured I'd kind of combine today's Ratchet Friday vlog with the Catless downpipe vlog. So Jay is on his way down, so we'll get some clips of his car with the Catless downpipe. I'll throw in the little before and after and even some clips of us actually installing the downpipe.
I had someone on Instagram post something and they were saying that they wanted to trade an NVIDIA, I think it's R400.
NVIDIA Catless downpipe.
Yeah, whatever.
For your car, for the WRX.
So they had an NVIDIA Catless downpipe. And he was like, I'm looking to trade for stock plus 50. So I was like, I gotta hop on that. So then, you know.
Way too good of a deal to pass on.
Yeah, it's too good of a deal to pass on. So I was like, fuck it.
So you traded your stock downpipe that you were gonna take off anyway, and then plus $50, and you got NVIDIA Catless downpipe.
Yep.
That's fucking awesome. That's so, oh my God, that's so awesome. Since the guy wanted to trade, he wanted the stock downpipe for the NVIDIA downpipe. So Jay came over last night. So we took off the stock downpipe, traded with the guy, got the NVIDIA. It's awesome. I'm so excited to hear it. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, go. So much turbo noise, dude.
So much gas.
Oh my God. Pretty sure I might actually be low on gas. Let's see the E85 situation. Yep, I'm gonna need some gas. Smells like gas.
It smells like 87,
Looks
right?
like, it smells like 87.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Are we ready? Because we're kind of running late.
Yeah, we are, yo. I'm trying to get in the front.
5:41. Oh, dude, we gotta head out. Yeah. Dude, let's go. Jay, when are we doing this, dude? When are we doing this, buddy? Just got here and damn, big wang gang. So basically, Ratchet Friday is just a car show that goes on every single month. They're usually pretty fun. This is the second Ratchet Friday this season. My first one that I'm attending. Hopefully it's gonna be fun. Oh my God, holy crap. Holy fuck. I know you from YouTube. Oh shit. Time to do my favorite thing, air out. Woohoo!
20 minutes later.
I don't know how well you guys can hear me right now. I don't know how Jay just pulled this off, but Jay got us into VIP.
Because I'm nice, bro.
I don't know how he did it. I'm not questioning him because we're in VIP. Who cares?
I got you, bro.
Fucking love you. Fucking love you.
He's from a car to brick, gently from him, mama with.
What?
You think they got lug nuts?
Oh shit, you need lug nuts. Let me show you an easy way how to get lug nuts. Want me to show you?
Yeah.
Grab one right here. Right? Lately I've been considering of getting rid of the green and going red. Oh my God. Fuck! That's gold right there. That is sexy. I know I'm probably not doing the best job at recording this event, and I apologize about that. It's just that these events are more like getting to know the people that build the cars and seeing their cars and getting to know about the builds. And people just don't seem to like it when you shove a camera in their face and expect them to talk. So I'm putting the camera down a little bit just to talk to people, but there are some really, really cool cars here. Rittler, where you at, bro? Serious question though, carbon fiber hood with carbon fiber fenders, yes or no? I'm pretty sure at this event they're also supposed to have a two-step battle, which I'm pretty excited for. I'm not gonna do it because my car does not nearly sound half as badass as all these other cars probably do, but I really hope they still do it.
I'm gonna get that sticker.
Dude, get this, that's funny.
Oh god, I can't even do a burnout though.
I know, that's the point. Sir, please don't rev on your way out.
Last time she was
Sir, please stop revving.
Tune, that's
getting really annoying.
Fuck, bro.
Yeah, honestly.
It's too loud. It hurts my ears. My car.
Oh!
Careful with the splitter, you might fall. I don't want to be responsible for your medical bills.